Yeah, Daddy's checking out a construction site.
Yeah.
Are they giving you the report, Willie? Willie does not like propping up on the window. We think it's because he's getting old.
Yeah.
His legs are not as strong as they used to be. Daddy says they're really making this building pretty.
Yeah.
It's going to be pretty tall.
Yeah.
But where's all the grass, Daddy? You put in a lot of parking, now there's no place for us to go handle business.
Yeah.
Are y'all checking it out, boys? I don't see any boogers. Y'all see a booger? Y'all see any boogers? I think we're pretty safe.